Welcome everyone, Savannah here with Bogert Aviation. Bogert Aviation has been a trusted brand in aircraft maintenance products for over 35 years, and today we're excited to show you our copper cable kits. Many traditional starter cables in light aircraft are made of aluminum and can have difficulty powering the starter due to voltage drop across the cables. Not only this, but aluminum cables have been found to be a fire hazard, a service bulletin issued by Piper stating that they recommend replacing aluminum cables with copper ones. The Bogert Aviation Copper Cable Kits are the answer and make the difference between night and day. These cables are 1-gauge copper wire insulated in a high heat resistant non-flammable insulation that doesn't give off toxic fumes when exposed to heat or flame. The rigorous production of these cables also involves a process that ensures the terminals will never come loose. These cables are ready to install and always manufactured here in the USA. For more information on the Bogert Aviation Copper Cable Kits, please visit our website www.bogertaviation.com or give us a call 509-736-1513.